Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we having week third assignment solution, and I have already provided you the second and first week. So if you have not done it, so you can go and check there in whole playlist. And this video I will give you the whole solutions in within few minutes. So first, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button, and thank you for watching. I'm saying it before the starting the video because some peoples are not watched till the end, so I just be want your contribution in this video. So please hit the subscribe button and go ahead with first question. It is a scenario based, so managing the school library. In this, let me full screen. In this question first, why does the librarian sort the catalog? Actually, wait. Now, so the why does the librarian sort the catalog of books? So to make the blocks easier to organize and locate. So the option second is correct. After sorting the catalog alphabetically, the librarian wants to display books from Z to A. Which operation is most suitable? So most suitable operation is reverse. The librarian wants to know how many copies of the book Python Basics are present in catalog, which list operation is appropriate. So the answer is insert. In this fourth question, a newly purchased uh, encyclopedia must appear as the second item in the catalog instead of being added at the end. Which operation should be used? So operation should be used is insert is correct. Then in fifth, librarian wants to know the total number of books currently stored in the catalog. Which operation provides this information? So the length will provide this information. Then, sorry, length. Again, scenario giving you some line of quotes here, and the question: what will be the output of line six? So output of line six is Aman, 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 and Bhavna, Kiran, Neha, Riya, Sana is correct. It means option A is correct. ठीक है. Uh, Seventh question: what is stored in the variable patch after line 5? So in this, answer is Aman, Bhavna, Kiran, Neha. No, not this one. Actually, Aman, Bhavna, Kiran, Neha. Yes, this one is correct. Which of the following statement are true after line 4? So after line 4, statement 1 is correct. Participant Sana has been added to the list. Okay. The name Aman appears twice. Yes, it is correct. Then list contains 6 participations. This is also true. So these three are true. Which line insert the participant Bhavana at a specific position in the list? So line 2 is correct. Then 10th one, which operation is demonstrated by line 5? So demonstrated by line 5 is last option, extracting a portion of participant list. Then again we having a scenario of traffic signal announcement system, where from the first question, like 11th one, what should the system display when the number 15 is reached? So when the number 15 is reached, displayed will be walk, wait. Then which of the following number will display walk? So in this 12 is displayed. Then a program first check whether the number is divisible by 3, then checks whether it is divisible by 5, and only after that checks whether it is divisible by both 3 and 5. What problem is likely to occur? So problem will likely to occur like number divisible by both 3 and 5 will be displayed as walk instead of walk weight. So option 1 is correct. Which programming concept allows the system to process every number from 1 to 30 automatically? So 1 to 13 automatically, it means the option C is correct. Loop. Which statement best explains which condition divisible by both 3 and 5 should be checked before checking divisibility 3 or 5 individually? So its answer is, it ensures that the number satisfying both condition receives the correct output. Then we having another scenario based questions starting from 16. So choosing the best estimate for the for wildlife survey. So in this 16th question, why did the researcher ask as large number of volunteers instead of only one widely expert? So in this 16 one, because a large group can produce reliable collective estimate. So option second is correct. Then which statistical measure is specifically designed to reduce the effect to extremely high and extremely low estimate? So extremely high and extremely low estimate, it means 10% trimmed mean. Then to the researcher creates histogram of all estimates using matplotlib. What is the main purpose of this graph? So main purpose is to visualize how the estimates are distributed. Which of the following statement about 10% trimmed mean are correct? So option, to visualize how the estimate are distributed, it means in 19 statement 1, sorry, the data should be sorted before removing extreme values. Yes, option 1 correct. 2 also correct, and the fourth one is correct. It helped reduce the influence of outliers. Then last question is 20th. The researchers used the following statement before calculating trimmed mean estimate sort. Which of the following are true about this statement? So true about this statement: first, it arranged the estimates in ascending order. Then second, it changed the original list of estimates. Then fourth, it helps identify smallest and largest estimates for trimming. So these answers are correct. And for this week, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe the button and hit the like button also. And tada, bye bye.